Okay, so we have a precision steel measurement device that's been calibrated at 14 degrees Celsius, but now the heat has rose to 37 degrees Celsius. So part A asks us, will the lengths that measured be higher or lower than the actual length? So it will read lower than the actual amount because of thermal expansion. So because it's expanded, the distance between the measurements will be larger, thus it will read lower than the actual distance of the objects. Right, so for our part B, it asks what percent. Let's remember that delta L is equal to L naught alpha over delta times delta T. But since we only are interested in the percentage, it's delta L over L naught equals alpha delta T. Now alpha for steel is equal to 12 times 10 to the negative 6 degrees Celsius to the negative first. So 12 times 10 to the negative 6 times 37 minus 14 equals 0.0276%. So it's not going to be off by a lot, but if you're doing precision measurements, that could be enough. Thanks for watching.